In this video, let me show you how to make the graph for the light bulb data. Okay. Before we actually make the graph, let's do something that IB likes us to do. So notice how like this says 0.5 and that says 0.6, but it really should read, these should all read at a hundredths place. Okay. So I'm going to select my data and I'm going to say, let's go, whoops, like that. And then this guy here, I believe I don't need as much. There we go. I think that's accurate. Now to make the graph, of course, what we're going to do is we're going to select the data and insert a chart. And it's going to do this. And what we want, really, is not a line chart, but you want to scroll down to scatter chart. And that's pretty nice right there, except we do need grid lines, okay, and we do need, I don't like the circles, okay. So let me just show you this. Let's customize this. Let's go horizontal axis. I think 0 to 2 is good. But I always like to tell it, you know. There we go. All right, 0 to 2. On the vertical scale, I like, let's change that. I always like to tell it what to do. It's going 0 to 80. Let's tell it that. That's good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do grid lines here. Okay, and you never want to do count. You always want to do step. Right, and in the vertical axis, let's do steps by 10 milliamps, and then minor spacings. I feel like 1 is going to be too much. Let's take a look. No, maybe not. I like that. Okay, and then let's look here. We're going to go horizontal axis. So notice that's below grid lines and ticks. And I want these both to be step. And it's already stepping by 1, and then try 0.1. There we go. Do we like that? I think that's good. I think that's going to work for us. 1 and 0.1. Let's go to our series 2 and find something better than that symbol. I like the X marks. I don't know. We're going to be like drawing lines through this and stuff. We could make them a star maybe. I don't know. Triangle. Anyway, obviously I'm just wasting your time now. So that's what kind of graph you want. And when you go to print it, you want to fit it. I think landscape is good, and then you can get the data there, and you can put some calculations down here. I think that's good. All right, that's all I'm going to say. You'll have to print this on a PC in the back of the room. You can't print it from your Chromebook.